Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the Ring app and signing in. Make sure your Ring account is active. Once done, plug in or power the new Ring doorbell so its LED shows setup mode, and keep your phone nearby. You need camera access and location enabled. This lets the app detect the QR code quickly. Make sure Wi-Fi name and password are at hand for immediate input, and verify the phone's Bluetooth is on so the app can find the device. You now position the Ring doorbell so the QR code faces your phone camera. Some models hide it under the battery or on the backplate, so remove covers if needed. In the Ring app, select Set up a device, pick doorbells, then follow the guided prompts until the app asks to scan. Once the camera view opens, move the camera slowly and keep the QR square centered. Hold steady until the app confirms the code. This prevents misreads from glare or blur. After the app accepts the QR, you'll enter your Wi-Fi credentials, give the doorbell a name, and let the app finish configuration. Perform the network test to confirm video stream. If the scan fails, make sure the camera lens is clean, add more light, and remove reflections. Alternatively, choose manual entry and type the MAC or EAN printed near the code. If problems persist, restart your phone and the Ring or perform a device reset. Then retry scanning to complete setup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.